Pigs make me sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, Daddy, put him down. Gerald. Piggy. What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat.
Shoot him. Achoo.
Good.
Got him. I'll babysit these two.
Make sure the audience can see them. Sniff, are you okay? I do not know. I can't stop sneezing. Uh-oh.
Achoo. Achoo.
Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Jill, no, do not speak. Good night.
Good night, my love.
It is too late. I
love you, honey. I love you so much.
True. Goodbye, Gerald. That's just my little sister. Sniff. So good pictures. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not, Dr. Cat. No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. True. Gerald. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Some people are allergic to cat hair. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. My picture, I forgot to show again. I am sick. Oh, thank you, Dr. Cat. He likes being sick. Piggy, Piggy, great news.
I like Dr. Cat in the picture. I like the cat.
Swirl, 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 swirl. Right. I have a cold. Good for you. Now Piggy's sick. And Gerald is so happy.
You got me sick.
Pigeon. Goodbye. See you on the next Kid Fun.